What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Right now we are balls deep in the brute build. Got a lot going on with that. Kind of saving up some progress for you guys so you can really see what we've done and what we've got on the next video. In the meantime, you know, as always, it never stops around here. Never stops with the buying of projects, which, you know, I give guys a lot of hell for it because they're always just buying junk and I gotta fix it and make it better. But I'm guilty of it myself. So today I went, a while back I went and I bought a motorcycle from my buddy Colton. Well, actually it's his buddy, but he was the connect in the middle. So I got it from him and I've been telling him I need to get it, gotta get over there and get it. Been pretty busy, got over there and got it today. And well, let's check her out. Boom! Ain't she a beauty? This right here is a 1982 Suzuki SP500. It's old and it's pretty raggedy. It needs some love, man. It's had a pretty rough life, but I do have the seat and the side panels for it, so there's that. Let's do some slow pants. So there you have it, in all its glory. This very classic Suzuki motorcycle. I only made this thing for 3 years. This one apparently is supposed to run. I know I've heard it before, but from my main assessment, it's got good compression, so I think it'll run. Just have to work my magic on it and see what happens, or if I trade it or sell it or do whatever with it. Anyhow, that being said, let's tune in to see what crazy antics Justin has got himself into now.
Another one. So I got what I'm about to turn around. I got this thing that's I'm pointing at right here a couple months back. Pretty good deal, I thought, being as I need this item to do certain things with. Me and Aaron went back and forth. That's why I haven't showed you guys, but now I've got it back from Aaron after selling it to him or working some kind of deal. But yeah, just tell you, god dang, Cat Eye Silverado. It's a 1-ton with a utility bed. I'll give you all a walk around, but right now I gotta try to get this thing. So it's been sitting over here in the month since in Aaron's possession, before I took repossession of it. I just opened the hood. There's a field mouse on there. Like, I mean, every bit of like 6 inches long, 7 inches long. Scared the hell out of me. God dang. Right there on top of the intake. Oh man. Anyway, it's been sitting out here, so I'm really hoping these mice, rats, it's supposed to be a field mouse. It sucks the size of a freaking New York rat. I'm really hoping they ain't been chewing up the wires, man. We're about to see, but I'm gonna jump this thing off and see what we get, and then also, if the day goes right, I'm gonna show you another project that we got. Aaron loves that word at this point. Project. Okay, what an adventure that was. Swapping batteries from that one, because it has an Opta, you know, battery's more expensive than the truck, to this, to get it running. And this other battery is just toast. So, let's try to get it to a temporary home, and then I'll give you a walk around, you know, Lord willing, we get there. See you guys in a second. So we made it. I'm gonna give you a quick walk around because I'm still gonna try to make it to get to the other project to show you guys. In all of our glory, the new Texas-made work truck slash tow pig slash, we'll see what the hell happens with this thing. Say what's up. This is my ride back to my truck.
Yeah.
My, yeah, you are. My ride back to my current daily, because I'm still going through insurance with the red truck. And then once that's situated, my wife probably start driving her truck again. I think I lost privileges when I got it stolen. So, I'm gonna try to make it to Merritt. I'll see you guys in just a second, but yeah, there she is in all her glory. All right, I made it. And yeah, you're seeing it right there in the background. This thing. So this marks all three of us having projects now. Not that we already all three didn't have projects, but this is Alan's. Alan's new tow pig slash sleeping area. It's a 1976 Coachman. Oh boy. Says it runs and drives. We got the title to it. Austin Ripple's buddy of mine, the one who sold it to us. I mean, she's got potential, but then again, we see potential in everything. Yeah, as you see, he was messing around with the motor. He says it was sitting for 6 months, but well, yeah, it's been sitting for 6 months, but he had it running and driving before it was sitting. So now we got to figure out if we can get it running, and then we also got to get it out of here because paid for it, and now it's just out here at his place. So let me take you on a quick tour. It's unlocked. Oh, it is unlocked. Oh, it's falling down. Door's broken. Oh, oh yeah. Bed, counters, or cabinets, sorry. Another bed. So, biggest deal, skylights. They're broken. So we gotta fix those. Some shelving. I mean, it's gotta be gone through completely. Somebody was using this temporarily for a little while, but I mean, it does have a sink, stove. I don't know if any of that works. Microwave, another cabinet. You know, deep storage area. There's the fridge right there. I don't know if that worked. Here's a shower. Dude, it screams 70s in here. The bed up top, again, another skylight broke there. Yeah, she's in need of a makeover. This is my biggest concern right here is this corner though. Can't really see it, but it's black off in there. It's kind of scary, but come on, cat. Let's see if I can get this cat out of here. Come on. Get out of there. Well, we got a cat stuck in the RV, getting full use out of there. But yeah, here's Alan's project. Oh my goodness. Oh man, we've bitten off a lot. Aaron got the Honda, as y'all saw at the beginning of the video. I'm messing with the dually, just got that situated in its temporary home until I can get it on the road. And then this thing, man, all the work's going on. On top of that, we got the brute going on, and we got some stuff coming up for you guys on the Rhino. So it's just all the stuff. Anyway, put down in the comments, other than us being idiots, what you think about all of these projects. Hopefully by the next video we'll have the update on the brute. We are steadily working on it. It's just, instead of showing you little clips, we figured we'd give you one in-depth kind of video with what's going on, because it's a lot of work going on in the process, and which we're doing right now. So anyway, if you made it this far, go ahead and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Hit the sub if you're new here and enjoyed this video. Also go check out some of our other videos. What else? Oh yeah, hit that notification bell. It's gonna be somewhere over there. Go ahead and tap that. And if you made it this far, like I said, thanks for watching. We appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one, hopefully dealing with the brute. See y'all then.
So, on top of the Suzuki, the dually, and the Coachman, I know we had a project packed, Aaron, so we weren't going to get any more. But technically, the few Polaris I bought isn't really a project. It's kind of already running and driving, so I mean, technically it's my project. Surprise!